Yo, what's up, fam? I hope you guys are having the best day of your life. And I just onboarded a new one-on-one client who's going to be working with me over the next 4 months to learn my 6 Elite Plus setups that have over a 70% plus win rate. And in her onboarding call, the very first thing that we did was get her Webull set up for success. If you guys are interested in becoming my next one-on-one student, you want to learn my 6 setups with a 70% plus win rate, the link is down below for you to apply. See you guys on the other side. Enjoy. We need to download the Webull desktop app, okay? Open up a new tab, search for Webull desktop download. There you go. Okay. Yeah. Okay, and then download it for Mac. Okay, cool. So it looks like it's done downloading. So let's go ahead and click on that. Click on open. Just click on experience because you got me here with you. And then you just want to go ahead and log in. So
Just
now
wanna make
what we
sure.
want to do is we want to clear all of this up because there's a lot of stuff that you don't need. We're going to start on the left-hand side and then we'll move our way over to the right. You see where it
Okay.
says watch list up there in the top
Yes.
left-hand corner? So on the Mac, I think you double click. It's like a right click. Like you double click and then it should give you the option to minimize.
Here we go. It says
There we
display
go.
mode, and you
Yep. Go
said
to minimize.
minimize.
Yep, minimize.
Okay.
Perfect. Down all the way at the bottom, you see where it says unlock trading in blue. Okay, so go ahead and click on that. And then it's going to ask you for your 6-digit password. Go ahead and put that in. So now we want to get your chart set up for success. In the chart, do you see the bottom right hand part of the chart where it says night extended and then it says auto in blue? Okay, so what you want to do is you want to click on extended right there. Okay, great. Now we can see extended hours, all right, which is pre-market and aftermarket. So you see to the left of that where it says interval, and it says 1M, 5M, 30M.
Yes, yes, I see it.
Okay, click on 5M.
What does that mean? Intervals? It's for the chart.
Yeah, it's the time
Okay.
frame. Yeah, it's for the chart. Yeah, so there's like 1 minute time frame, 5 minute, etc. Which I'll be going over
Okay.
that with you. Now at the top, we want to get rid of all the things that we don't need. So we're going to keep the chart, obviously, but you see right beside the chart tab where it says options. So right click, minimize that. You don't need that. Yeah, click on remove options. Perfect. You want to do the same thing for related bonds. It says the easiest way to pull it up on the Mac is by click on the trackpad with 2 fingers at the same time.
Oh, there we go.
Right there where it says note, let's remove note as well.
Yeah, I just say that. I'm trying to say remove note. No.
Yeah, we're just gonna go in line right there. So, yep, remove note.
Oh shoot.
That's okay.
Did it remove?
It took it off. Yeah, it detached it. Now you see where it popped up. Just click on the red
Yeah.
X. Yeah, go ahead and yeah, delete that. Perfect. All right, we're gonna keep news, but to the right, you see where it says comments. I want you to go ahead and remove comments. Okay, remove financials.
So we don't need any of this. You're saying?
No, you don't
What's
need
the
any of this.
majority
No,
of it?
it's like this is
What
more
about
for
chart? You want me to
chart.
remove this, Seth?
No. Keep chart, keep news, remove analyst.
So we're getting all the junk out. What about order
Yeah,
flow? We need that, right?
remove that one. You don't
Okay,
need that
remove
one.
that.
No. Okay.
Removing all the distraction.
Remove corporate actions. All right. Remove releases. And you're going to keep profile, which is good. Now, what I want you to do is I want you to put your mouse right beside where it says profile. And I want you to double click. Like, no, actually put the mouse beside profile. Don't put it on profile, put it right beside it. And then I want you to hit the double click. And then you see where it
Add
says
widget.
add a widget? Yeah,
Uh-huh.
click add a widget. Okay, and then go to all widgets.
Wow, you got to be skilled for this app, though. I'll tell you. You got to
Yeah,
hold it down.
it's just the setup process. Once we get it set up, it's going to be easy. All right, so
Yeah.
in the search bar right there, I want you to type in messages. Yep, and then you see where it popped up right there at the top. Click on messages right there. Yep.
Mm-hmm.
Bottom right, click on add widget. Okay, this is where it can get a little funky. You have to grab that tab and then drag it over beside profile. All right. And the way you grab the tab is you see where it said, like right where it says all widgets right there. Or
Mm-hmm.
actually, you see right beside messages. Try and grab it right beside messages. Go to the right a little bit. Try and like grab it, like hold down. Yep. And drag it beside profile. There we
There
go.
we go.
Oh, okay, cool.
Perfect.
That wasn't that bad. Okay,
What
so
about this
now,
screen right here where it says all widgets? Do I clear out or stay here?
yeah, so you can exit out of that now.
Okay.
Perfect. Okay, so click back on chart. Okay, so this is how I like the setup, just so you can understand the why behind it. Right here, we have the chart, which is obviously very important. I'm going to teach you a bunch of things that you need to be looking at inside of the chart to know if we have a good opportunity in the market. We got the news right beside it, so you can easily see what type of news the company dropped. You have the profile. When you click on profile, you'll be able to see where the stock is from, what country it's from, which is super, super important. And then also too, where it says messages, I'm going to teach you how to set alerts on stocks. And whenever an alert goes off, you can click on messages and all of your alerts pop up on that tab. All right. Actually, there's a couple more things on your chart. You see in the top left hand corner where you see where it says MA and then it has like the purple stuff right there, like the purple
Yes.
numbers.
What does that stand for?
Yeah. So that stands for moving average, which is an
Okay.
indicator that we don't need. So hover your mouse over it. Yep. And then X. You don't need that. Okay, perfect, sweet. Now let's move over to the right-hand side. You see where it says order book and NOII?
Oh,
There we
okay.
go. Order book. There you
I'm
go.
sorry.
That's all
I'm
right.
ignorant, just learning to navigate everything.
It's all good. It's super common. All right. So you want to double click on that and remove it. Okay. Double click on NOII, remove that as well.
What does that stand for?
That's like for you to see level 2 data. I'm going to teach you how to use it later on, but you don't need it in the beginning. It's going to give you access to see like halt prices and things like that. But we don't
Okay.
need it right now. So time and sales, go ahead and remove that.
So you remove all the junk because it makes you like probably have like, makes you think clearer, right? You're
Yeah,
not like
exactly.
focusing on the nonsense, the
Exactly. Yep.
distraction. Okay.
Yep. Volume analysis, remove that.
Will I ever need to refer back to any of those? Will they be beneficial for me, everything that I removed, or would you say no?
Most of it, no. One or two
Okay.
things, yes. One or two things later on is a bit more advanced. I'll teach you that later on, though, but we don't need it right now. Okay. So right there, you see where it says quotes. We need to add a widget right beside quotes. So I want you to put your mouse right beside quotes, and then let's hit the double click, add a widget. Okay. And then we want to go to all widgets. And I want you to type in the word top, T-O-P. Top gainers and losers. Click on that. All right. Click on add widget. And then I want you to grab that and I want you to drag it right beside
Same
quotes.
way I did before.
Yep, just like you did before. Yep. You probably have to grab it on the gray. Oh, there you go. Perfect. You got it. So I want you to put it right beside quotes. And sometimes what makes this easier is if you make it a little bit smaller before you go to drag it. There you go. Perfect. Drop that right there. Okay. Now, actually, what I would like for you to do is put it to the left of quotes. If you grab it, there you go. Perfect. Drop that right there. Bang. Okay. We got that all sorted out. So now down there at the bottom, so just kind of remove the little pop-up so I can see the rest of your screen. Yeah, just click anywhere. Yeah, there we go. Okay, so now we got trade, turbo trader, and we got ladder. So where it says ladder, I want you to right click and remove ladder. You don't need that. Okay. You clicked on detach, which it's going to pop up as like an extra window, but you can just exit out. You'll see it when you go to exit out of everything. Okay, so now we have trade and turbo trader, which is super important. I want you to right click beside turbo trader.
So we're adding something right here.
Yep, add a widget. Okay, all widgets. And then type in positions. Okay, click on that. Add widget. Okay, and then you're going to drag that right beside turbo trader. Grab it again and put it in the middle. We don't want it in the middle. So try and grab that again and drag it right beside turbo trader. There we go. You can
Okay,
drop it right there.
starting
That's
to
good.
see how all the layers and everything overlap each other. I'm starting to see how to navigate
Yep.
this.
Okay, so now we want to add another widget.
Next to positions.
Yep. All widgets. And then type in performance. Yep. That one. Add widget. Drag it right beside. Yep, perfect. Drop it. Okay, good deal. Now we want to add another widget. It's going to be orders.
Would you say it was going to be?
Orders. Yep, orders, and then add a widget, and then drag it right beside the other one.
Right. Okay. Why is this not dragging? Sometimes they do it perfect.
Try grabbing it on the gray area right beside orders.
Maybe I'm scared. Let me just do it one more time. What was it? Orders?
Yep, orders.
No,
Yeah. You got it pulled up. Just click on add widget. There you go.
Oh, it's so weird. It's like the other ones work perfect.
Try grabbing it on the gray area. Like no, right beside it. Yeah, right there. Try grabbing it from right there.
Forgive me for cussing.
There we go.
Wow. Who would have thought something so simple would be so aggravating?
Yeah. Hey, just so you know, every single student I have has the same issue. It's just one of those things. Okay, so down there underneath chart, we need to get rid of all of those tabs right below it. So you see where it says orders today, position, order entry down there at the bottom?
Yeah. So you want me to get rid of all three of these?
Yeah, right click and remove all three of those because we just put those on the right hand side over there, so we don't need those anymore.
So,
we want to make that chart as big as possible. Okay, so there is one indicator I want you to add up there at the top. You see where it says all, or you see where it says all indicators, and then it says VOL right beside it. It's like at the top of your chart right there. It says MACD, RSI, VOL. Up, go to the right. Yep, right. Up, you were right on it. Go back to the left. So close. Down. VOL. Click on that.
Oh.
Nope. Not on that one.
Oh, VOL. Oh.
Yeah,
Okay.
VOL. Okay. There we go. That brings the volume indicator down at the bottom. I'm going to be teaching you how to use that a lot. Okay. So now what we want to do is on the right hand side, I want you to click on Turbo Trader.
Wait, Turbo Trader?
Yep.
All right, okay. Learning the terminology. Okay.
There we go.
What does Turbo Trader mean?
Turbo Trader allows you to get in and out of trades very quickly. It allows you, like, if you go classic trade, you have to click on like 3 or 4 buttons to get into a trade. But if you use Turbo Trader, you just got to click on one button. You see where like there's a small gap between Turbo Trader and quotes. What we want to do is we want to make the Turbo Trader area a little bit smaller. So if you hover your mouse just a little bit higher, right above Turbo Trader, you should have the go back down just a little bit more right there. You see where, yep. And then you can drag it down and make it smaller. Yep, drag it down a little bit more. Keep going. Keep going. All right, perfect. That's good right there. All right, go a little bit higher. A little bit higher. Okay, perfect. That's good. Okay, yeah. So just so you understand how things are set up, we got our chart really big in the middle. And then on the right-hand side, I want you to click on tops instead of quotes. Okay, so right there, you have all of the top gainers in the market. Those are the stocks that are moving the most right now, all right? So what I want you to do is there's a small gap between tops and the chart, just like how you were able to drag it up and down. You can also drag it left and right. I want you to move your cursor over. Yep. And then drag it to the left a little bit. Make it a little bit bigger. Go down a little bit. Go down just a little bit.
Great. Hold on, my mouse is frozen.
Okay, there you go. And then
Hold on.
drag to the left. Yep. Okay, good deal. Okay,
Keep
that's good
going.
right there. Yep, that's good. So what I want you to do is you see where it says symbol right there?
Yeah.
Okay, click on the little 3 lines right beside it to the left. All right, a couple things that I want you to get rid of right there. Let me pull up mine just to make sure we got the same thing. Get rid of name. So on the right-hand side, you see where it says name, blue check mark.
Mm-hmm.
Nope, nope. Well, no, that's fine. Yeah, you got it. Okay. So we're going to keep PM price. Sparkline, get rid of on the right-hand side. Yeah. Okay. Perfect. PM price, we're going to keep that. Percentage change, that's good. Volume is good. Market cap is good. On the left-hand side, I want you to scroll down until you see where it says free float. Right there. Right there in the middle. Yeah, click on that. Okay. Click done. Now you're starting to look just like me. We're almost there now. So now what we want to do, now we have our chart in the middle. We have easily the top gainers list. These are all the stocks that we're going to be looking to trade every single day. These are the stocks that have momentum. Now we want to set up our turbo trader where we can easily get in and out. All right. So on turbo trader, you see where it has the very small gear icon to the right hand side, right beside the red button down there.
This
Yep.
little
Click on that.
button, Turbo
Yep.
Trader settings.
Yeah, click on that one. So from here, what we want to do, let me pull up mine just to make sure I don't miss anything. On the left-hand side, you see where it says buy market. I want you to click on that. Keep the
Oh,
blue check mark. So buy market, what we want to do here, you see where it says order type, it says market, and then quantity, it says 100.
yes.
Instead of that, instead of it saying 100 and it's currently on shares, I want you to click on the dollar sign right now. And what this is going to allow us to do is we'll be able to buy a certain dollar amount of a stock with one click of a button. Since you're starting off with $500, I would recommend going into a trade with no more than $100. I think 100 is a good limit for you to set. So I would type in 100. On the left hand side, click on buy ask. Okay. And then we have order type, limit, quantity, hit the dollar sign.
So what is
Type in
this one right here, mirror? What does that
that
mean, share?
shares. That's like if you want to buy 100 shares,
Okay.
but the price is different for every stock. So it's a lot easier to just go in with a certain dollar amount. So type in
Gotcha.
100. Okay.
So
Limit
what if
price
so
ask.
what so what if I limit price right here, ask. Okay, so ask.
Yeah. Ask is good. Yep. So extended hours. Turn that from no to yes.
Um so in the future if I want to like change that from 100 to 500, 1,000, what is that going to do differently for me? Is that like
So this is your
like
default settings. What we're changing is your default settings, and you can come in here
okay,
at any given time and change your default settings. The more you add, right now we're starting at 100, but you can easily go in and change this to 500 to 1,000 to whatever you want it to be once we scale up. Okay.
okay.
On the left hand side, click on sell market. Right there, scroll up a little bit. It's in blue already. Sell market. Yep, click on that. Okay, and click on percentage instead of dollar. This is where we are selling, and we want to sell 100%. So click on, or yeah, 100. Perfect. Okay, go to sell bid, left hand side.
Do I do done? Oh no, keep
No,
going.
not yet. No.
Okay.
Okay, so for sell bid, we also want to change it to percentage, 100%. Extended hours, yes. Perfect. Okay, that's good. Scroll down a little bit on the left hand side. All right, this is the options category. You're not going to be using any of that. So I want you to turn off all of those underneath options. So buy market, turn off. Buy ask, turn off. Yeah. Sell market, turn off. Sell bid, turn off. Perfect. Scroll down a little bit more. Okay, click on quantity right there. I want you to turn that from no to yes. And then for quantity settings, click on like the little icon that looks like 3 coins and change that to a dollar amount. And right now, I want you to change that to 200. Once we get started trading, you're going to hear me say, this is a good setup. We're going to double down on this one. So this is going to give you the option to easily click on one button, and it's going to give you the option to go in with a double position instead of a single position. Okay. Now, right underneath that on the left-hand side, click on order confirmations. Oh, scroll back up a little bit. You had it. It's already blue right there. Order confirmations.
Okay.
Yep, that one. Change that to no. Yep. Okay. Okay. Good deal. Perfect. Okay. So scroll down a little bit more on the left-hand side. Click on that very first one that says cancel all current stock. Yep. Turn that one on. Perfect. You see where it says reverse? Turn that off. Flatten. Keep that on. All right. Everything else is good. Click on done. No. Keep flatten turned on.
What's that mean? I never heard that term.
Flatten is it will cancel all of your current pending orders and it will sell your position and get you out of the stock. It's your safety button.
Okay.
Okay.
Never knew that.
Okay. Perfect. So now we got Turbo Trader set up. Now I want you to click on trade right beside that on the left-hand side. All right. And then actually right click on trade or double click for you and then go to trade settings. Okay. Trade settings.
Trade
Yeah.
setting. Okay.
Yep. All right, from there, we are at limit. I want you to be at 100% for quantity. So change it to a percentage, 100.
Okay.
Regular trading hours, change that to include extended hours.
What does that mean? Extended hours.
Yeah, that's allows you to trade pre-market early in the morning, and it also allows you to trade in after hours, all right, which we're going to be doing a lot of. I trade in pre-market a lot, okay? And congratulations, you have your chart set up like mine. There's a lot of different things that I want to explain to you as far as different buttons, different things that we're going to use, exactly when and how we're going to hit the buy button, when and how we're going to hit the sell button. I'm going to send videos over to you that breaks all of that down, but now you have your bare bones set up, ready to roll.